Press the subscribe button and turn your notification on.
Today we are going to unbox the Xiaomi Wi-Fi camera, which is a baby monitor camera as well. In this model there's a two different colors are available. One is a white, one is a black, and it comes in a two different video resolution function as well. One is a 720p which is HD, and one is a 1080p which is full HD. So this model is full HD. As you guys can see, it's mentioned on the top, it's a 1080p. Before going to unbox this one, I will just tell you some specs about this camera. First, it's a 1080p, so it's a full HD high resolution camera which can record, and if you want to view, you can view in a 1080p resolution. Plus it comes with a built-in microphone and speakers as well, so it's a two-way communication device. If people are talking, you can clearly hear the sound because it comes with a noise reduction function as well. Plus if you want to talk something from your smartphone, other people can hear because the camera itself, they have a speakers inside. It's also support the memory card slot, so if you are not monitoring the camera, if you are outside and if you are busy, you don't have a time to monitor the camera, you can use the memory card slot and you can directly record inside the camera, and if you want to watch later, you can watch the videos. And it's and the best part of this camera, it's night vision function, because most of the cameras, if you see in the market, they comes with the visible night vision facility. So if you put the camera somewhere where it's a dark area, but still people can see something is monitoring them, because of those visible LED lights. In this camera they have a invisible LED lights, which is like a night vision function. Nobody can see if you are monitoring someone. Let's open the camera. This is the manual. This is the action camera, and they have some accessories as well. Charger, mount ceiling, so if you want to put it on the top, you can. Plus it comes with the charging cable and screws. Now let's talk about the first manual. Inside the manual you can see every single basic information about the camera, how to fix, how to connect this one with the Wi-Fi, how to download the application. By the way, you can directly download the application from the box as well, because they give the QR barcode on this one. And what kind of application is compatible in this one? It's a YI Home. It's an application name which is compatible with the iOS and Android operating systems both, so you can use this camera with the both operating systems. Now let's see the camera. This is a camera. As you guys can see, it's a small portable design, comes with a 360 angle view. So if you want to move the camera, you can directly move this camera from your smartphone 180 degree left, right, and 90 degree up and down. As I mentioned, it comes with the invisible night vision function. You can see there is no light, so if you put this camera in some dark area, and this camera can easily monitor and give you the clear view image, clear video. So that's the best thing of this camera, so nobody can see if you are monitoring someone. As you guys can see, on the back side of the camera there is a memory card slot, charging facility, reset button. Here they have a two microphone functions, so you can easily hear the sound, and plus speakers. If you want to talk from your smartphone, you can talk. Here is a barcode available as well. If you want to fix this camera on the ceiling, you can directly put on the ceiling as well, and you can rotate as you guys can see. Now we will show you how to configure this camera with your smartphone. So if you are traveling, if you are not at home, if you want to monitor your house and you want to monitor your baby, you can monitor through this camera. And this camera comes with the one most important thing, it's have a baby cry detection function as well. Most of the cameras, if you see in a market, lots of branded cameras, they don't have this kind of function. It's a motion detection, plus it's a baby cry detection function is available in this camera. As you guys can see, we just download the application. This is the application, this is a camera, we connect with the power. So what is the configuration functions? First, there is a plus button. You have to press the plus button and you have to select your camera. So we are using the Yi 1080p Dome camera. Here we can select that one, and the camera is saying waiting for the connect. So there is a option available. If you didn't hear the sound waiting for the connect, you have to press this button, so it will reset itself and you can restart the camera again. If you hear the sound waiting to connect, just press the button. It will ask your password of the Wi-Fi. So whatever your Wi-Fi password is, right now we have our Wi-Fi password. We will just put here, and once it's done, we will mention connect to the Wi-Fi. So it will configure the Wi-Fi. So
the camera lens and wait for it to scan.
It's showing a barcode scan here, so we just need to, as you can see in an image, you have to press show this barcode function to the front of the camera like this.
QR code scan is successful.
The camera itself automatically configure itself, so you just need to show this QR code in front of the lens.
Wi-Fi is connected.
As you can see, it's already saying Wi-Fi is connected. We will press the next button. It will automatically configure. It will take maximum like a 30 to 1 minutes.
Pairing is successful.
So
Pairing is successful.
less than 30 seconds, it's automatically configured. Now you can, if you want to share this one with your family and friends, you can press the button. It will show you the QR scan barcode. You can share with your family members so they can also monitor the camera. Or if you want to share on your account, you can press that one. We will just make it save. Now I will just open the camera. It will show me some functions. So as you guys can see the image, this is the microphone. So once you will active, you can hear the sound from the camera itself. We will just close this one. If I want to speak something from my side, I can hear from the camera. We have to press the mic button. Hi, how are you? And the best thing of this camera, you can select the resolution. If you want to put it on an auto, you can put it on auto. If you want to increase the resolution like it's to HD, you can. Now the best thing of this camera is the rotating function. It's not have some like other cameras you have to press on a screen. They have a very good joystick which you can easily select and it will rotate itself. If you want to directly record something, you can press the recording button. It will start recording inside your cell phone. But if you are not monitoring, as I told you before, you can put the memory card inside the camera, so it will record all the videos inside the memory card, and you want to watch later, you can. You will just stop that one. If you want to take the pictures, you can directly take the pictures as well. These are some basic functions of the camera, like camera on off, camera name. You can setting lights like firmware, night vision function, call mode, intercom, all those things are available. Pin protection, like if you want to secure your camera, like nobody can access your camera without your permission, even your friends and family members which you are sharing the QR code, still you can just set the pin code and it will secure. And if you want to delete some videos and everything and delete your account, you can directly press the delete button as well. So we hope you like the video. We try to explain you each and everything about the camera, but thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, give the thumbs up, subscribe our channel.